Every few years, there's media buzz, and our nerdiest friends talk about this thing called an eclipse. What is an eclipse, and why should we be so excited? Okay. Humans throughout history have been mesmerized, awestruck, and sometimes horrified by a mysterious natural phenomenon. And humans are not alone. From giraffes who suddenly stop their grazing to run amok, to birds singing a frenzied, noisy song, it's clear that many living things here on Earth get just a little excited when an eclipse comes around. So what is an eclipse, and why do they occur? Well, we've got three main protagonists here. There's our home, planet Earth, Earth's friendly satellite, the Moon, and our solar system star, the Sun. Whoa! The orbits of these three characters are like a dance among three celestial bodies. An eclipse is that fleeting moment when the Moon or the Earth blocks the Sun and creates a shadow on the other. There are two types of eclipses that we experience here on Earth: a lunar eclipse and a solar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth blocks the Sun and casts a shadow on the full moon. It might block the moon or parts of it from sight entirely, and can even make the moon look radiant red. The eclipsed moon can be seen from anywhere on Earth so long as it is above the horizon. Now, a solar eclipse, that's different. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon completely blocks the light of the sun and casts its shadow on the Earth. The shadow is small compared to the size of the Earth, so only some areas on Earth experience that shadow. The location that the shadow covers changes. The line of places the shadow will touch during a total solar eclipse is something we call the Path of Totality. If you are in the Path of Totality, you'll experience being in the moon's shadow. It's really cool and a little surreal, to be sure, to have everything around you fall pitch black while the temperature drops just for a few minutes in the middle of the day. And when you wear your protective solar glasses, like these bad boys, it is safe to look at the sun. And here's the cool thing. You'll get to see something that is only visible during a solar eclipse: the sun's corona, its majestic crown. The corona, no, not that corona, is the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere and is obscured by the sun's bright light. But when that light is momentarily covered by the moon, you can see the corona in all its glory. Most places on Earth may only be in the Path of Totality every few centuries, so it's a very special moment in time. And it doesn't last long, usually just a few minutes. Cultures and communities across millennia have revered and experienced the phenomenon in different ways. Even today, some communities welcome and celebrate the eclipse, while others, out of respect, prefer to stay inside. So, next time you hear that there's about to be an eclipse, put on your dancing shoes, shine some light on the matter, and join in on the excitement in your own way.